Hey everyone, this is Izzy from Doodle's Face and Body Art. In this video, I'll be showing you the technique for painting one-stroke dolphins. Let's get started. I'll be using the following products. If you don't have a short angled brush, you can also use a regular flat brush. If you are using an angled one, make sure to load the darkest color on the long end of the bristles. Begin with the top of the head by painting half a circle. Then bring down your brush to make a curve and go back up to end the stroke on a point by slightly twisting and flicking the brush. To give your dolphin that cute factor, make sure to place the nose closer to the head. The nose is just a small round petal. The stroke for the bottom of the body begins at the edge of the nose and follows the same shape of the top stroke to the tail. Fill in any empty spaces. You may have to paint this stroke a bit thinner depending on where you place the dolphin and how much space you have. A major difference between a shark and a dolphin is the tail. If you look closely, you'll realize that dolphins have very soft and wavy tails, while sharks have very sharp ones. Place your brush at a 90-degree angle, swipe to the side and pull down to make the curve. Repeat this stroke in the opposite direction. This stroke resembles that of a pointy petal. To make the flipper, place your brush horizontally and pull down as you make a curve without twisting the brush. For the dorsal fin, create a slanted line with the tip of your brush. Then create a curved stroke by following it down and slightly twisting the brush. Now that you know all of the strokes, let's put them together and paint this dolphin. Regardless of which brush you use, make sure to keep the darkest color on the outer edge of the dolphin. As you see here, I had to adjust my strokes to better fit the face. Sometimes I create some guides to help me with the placement of the tail. If you're ever unhappy with how a stroke came out, you can always redo it by going over it. Make sure to align the flipper with the fin, and overlap the flipper with the body to create some dimension. To give the dolphin a softer look, I'm using the darkest color in my split cake to make the eye and the outlines. I'm also using the lightest color in my split cake to create the teardrops and the highlights. Once you've mastered these strokes, you'll be able to paint this dolphin in no time. So don't get discouraged if it doesn't come out the way you want it right away. Practice each individual stroke over and over as it helps develop muscle memory. If you're painting at a large event, you can leave the dolphin as is at this point, but if you have the time to spare, you can go ahead and outline it and add any other decorative elements. Adding a mouth to your dolphin can be tricky, as sometimes it can come out looking like a duck. I recommend making the line of the mouth a bit longer closer to the eye. Personally, I try to avoid painting the mouth any chance I get, just because it can make or break my design if the person moves. I hope you found this technique useful for your next event. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching!